Hey guys, I'm TT. This is KK.
This is me.
And today we're going to make slime! Okay, so you want to show your YouTube, your fans and your supporters what you're doing?
A minute.
You want to open it now?
Yes.
Okay. So let's open it up. Uh-oh, boo. Hold on. Oh, snap. Technical difficulties. All right. Woo! We got slime. We got paint. We got activator. Okay. All right, boo. You put that together while I look for the instructions. Oh, we got some more stuff.
Wow, what's that?
Ooh. Ooh, boo, we got stickers. Is this a sticker? I think so. Okay, so. Ooh, boo, this is a little bit more. This is a little bit more techy than I thought. All right, first we're going to start off by putting. What is this called? The slime? I don't know what this is called. Oh, this is the mixer.
Two kids playing on one box.
You want to open that too? Boo, this is like. We not there. Oh, I got it. Oh, wait. Ooh, you can't open up this just yet because it's glitter and it everywhere, okay? Okay. So we got some cups. Oh, not yet, boo, not yet. Oh, we got a measuring cup too, boo. We gotta open up all of our ingredients first. Ooh. What is that? A swirl. Uh-oh. Beads? You say beads? Boo, you gonna mess up the, oh Lord, no Lord. Put this over here, put this over here, put this over here. Alright. Oh, you say it to the camera, what you say? So beautiful. Say it louder. So beautiful. Okay, so we got our paint. We got all type of colors. What color is this? No, green. Remember I told you it was green. All right, boo. Let's start. All right. So, directions for making clear glue slime. Measure 25 milliliters of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into the top of the mixer. Scrape down on the walls of the measuring cup and get as much glue as out. Sorry guys, we got to do directions first. 25 milliliters of clear glue. Hold on, boo. slime activator. You need this first. So you gotta pour 25 milliliters of clear glue. You wanna do it? Okay, pour it in here. Oh wait, my bad. You gotta open it up. Ew. All right, we gotta fill it to the top. All right, pour it in here. All the way, all the way. Uh-oh, got it. All the way. Uh-oh, okay. Squeeze. You're messing it up. Let me see. Squeeze. No, we need more. Yeah, we need more. Wait, one more. Oh. Oh, that's it. Not there. 25 milliliters of clear glue. All right, but we gotta pour it inside of here. Can we get Dad over here to open up the top real fast? So now we're gonna pour the clear glue inside of the support. You wanna pour it? Okay. Wow. We gotta get all the clear glue out. You wanna try to? Oh no, use this one. Here, use this one. Gotta get all of it out. Tell your subscribers what you're doing next move. Oh, you're trying to get the glitter early, y'all. All right, we're just scraping the walls off the measuring cup to get all the clear glue out.
I want to get this too.
You're doing all that, boo. All right, that's all the clear glue. I'm gonna sit that over there. We're going to just sit all of our utensils right here. The next step was to measure 40 milliliters of room temperature water. Pour into the mixer with the glue. Turn the crank and stir the mixture for about 1 minute or until fully blended. You want to open this? Well, I think we can add that last bit. What did you do? Did you glue it together? Are you sure?
No.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure.
You're not? She said, no, I'm not sure. Well, right now we're going to add our water. So we're going to pour 40 milliliters of water. Thank you, ma'am. Say thank you, ma'am. We got to add 40 milliliters of water first, room temperature. Yeah, room temperature. That's 40 milliliters. I can do this. Assistant, may you get us some napkins? Huh?
What's it do, Sissy?
That's for the color. To add water, and then we're going to add color. Then we're going to add our slime activator. And then after that, we can crank it up. We're just adding our water now. That's one. One pour. Hold on. That's two. Pour. Good job. You need two more. 4.
This is 4.
We added 40 milliliters of water.
Water.
All right. That's step 2.
This is 2.
All right. Step 3.
3.
Measure 7.5 milliliters of slime activated solution and slowly pour into the mixer while stirring slowly. Continue stirring until the solution is absorbed for about 1 to 10 minutes. Okay. Oh, we gotta do this.
Oh. I want to mix it up.
You want to mix it up? Okay. There we go. There we go. All right, crank it up, boo. We're gonna set our timer for 1 minute because we gotta crank it for 1 minute. Hold on, boo. You just started without a timer. Oh, Lord. Timer has started to 1 minute, and we're gonna crank it up while we waiting.
Oh, I see. I see.
You wanna try? KK's cranking it up for you guys. Oh, you got it? Keep cranking, boo. Got 30 seconds. Our next step will be to measure 7.5 milliliters of slime activated solution and slowly pouring it into the mixer while stirring slowly. Oh, okay. We gotta continue stirring until the solution is absorbed about 1 to 2 minutes. Uh-oh.
Mommy,
Uh-oh.
what are you? Boo. Right here. I hear my side. Oh.
Oh, that's it. That's time, boo. That's time.
Fine.
All right. Ooh. Okay, so you have to put 7.5 milliliters of slime activator into our slime now.
She says that finish.
Well, you can't open all the ingredients.
Yo!
Want to pour?
Yeah, what's right?
All right.
What's right here?
Nope, we'll put it in here.
Over here?
Yep.
What?
Okay. 7.5. Start pouring, boo. Keep going.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
If it is...
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Squeeze. Squeeze. Ah, you got one more drop, boo. One more drop. 2 more drops. 3 more drops. You got it? You sure? You like you're struggling. All right. Ah, I got it, boo. We got it. We got it. All right, now we're going to pour our slime activator into the bowl. Pour, boo. Oh, yeah. Now we're getting some things going. Slowly pour into the mixer while stirring. Got to stir. Oh, I'm sorry. Where is yours? Oh. Uh-oh, boo. Oh, it's right here. Sorry. Here you go, boo. Let's stir. Now we're just stirring our slime. I think we added a little bit too much water. Or did... Ah! We did it! We did it! Oh my God, boo! Yay! Okay, boo. Now we can add. What do you want to add? What do you want to add?
This.
I did 2 children.
You want to add this?
What happened to she was?
Oh, and this.
You want to add this? KK wants to add some blue glitter. Hold that. Don't pour it yet, boo.
Oh.
And some stars.
I saw too.
Okay, boo. You want to add just a little bit of it? Boo, we have slime. We did it.
I saw too.
We got slime. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, boo. Let's add a little bit of this. Oh, you added all. Boo, you added the whole thing. Because you wasn't supposed to add the whole thing. Oh my gosh. She said, wow. Oh, wow. Oh my God.
Oh my God. I said be inside.
Oh.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, Mama.
Oh my gosh, boo. Let's stir it up a little bit. Give it a little stir. Oh Lord, KK, you ain't boo, you added a lot of glitter. Boo, this is a lot of glitter. So we did it, guys. We made slime. We're gonna show you guys a little bit of our product, our finished product. Okay, wanna open it up? Ooh, look at that. This. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, with our hand. Slime. We got slime. Ooh. This is our first set of slime. Show your subscribers, boo. Look. Say slime. Oh my God. Smack. We made slime. Ooh. You do it too?
I got 3 of those.
Ooh. So beautiful. So this is our first product of slime, guys. We did it. KK chose the color. A lot of blue with some stars. Drop that in our first little cup. Boop. Uh-oh. Hold on, boo. Up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ooh, boo. It's a lot. Ah! So we did it. Camera say it.
Bye.
Peace.
Peace.
You. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.